This is the homework help video for Wednesday, November 30th for my pre-AP classes, periods 1 and 5. We're solving two-step equations in this homework, so I need to show two sides of my equation just like the balance scale model. I need to isolate this variable z, so I need to get rid of this -7 on the right side. Use the opposite, +7 or adding 7. I can do that to the left side or the right side as long as I do the same thing to the left side. 15 plus 7 is 22. The reason we do that is this is like 7 0 pairs, that equals 0. So we're just left with this term on the right side, z over 3. Z over 3 is z divided by 3, and the inverse operation for division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 3, and I can do that as long as I do the same thing on the left side. 3 times 22 is 66. And if you think of 3 as a fraction, it's 3 over 1. And that's why we do this, because now we have those 3's cancel and we just have one z, or just z, on the right side. So z should equal 66. We never circle it until we check it. Check it by rewriting the original equation. 15 equals -7 plus z over 3. And then I'm going to substitute our value for z into that. So 66 over 3. 15 equals -7 plus 66 divided by 3 is 22. And then we're adding integers and the signs are different, so we find the difference. 22 minus 7 is 15. And then you keep the sign of the integer that is farther from 0 on a number line. In this case, positive 22 has a much greater absolute value than -7. It's farther from 0 on a number line. So this really is positive 15. So 15 equals 15, and that checks out. So we know that z truly does equal 66. I'm also going to do that word problem number 10. A long-distance phone company charges $1.01 for the first 25 minutes of a call, and then 9 cents for each additional minute. A call costs $9.56. So if it costs $9.56, we know the cost of the call equaled $9.56. And we're trying to figure out how long the call lasted. We're going to assign a variable to the number of additional minutes. So we know it's 9 cents for each additional minute, so that's 9 cents times the number of minutes. We'll just use m for minutes. So 0.09 times m would be the cost of the additional minutes. But we know there's always going to be this, if we have additional minutes, we've gone over 25 minutes. So we also have this additional $1.01. So we're going to add that $1.01 to this cost to get the total cost. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for you, because I think from there you can show two sides of the equation and solve this just like you solved all the other problems. And then when you solve for m, you need to consider whether that's the answer. Is that what the question's really asking? And if not, make sure you answer the question that's being asked. There's a hint. And then we have a golden ticket in this homework help video. Had a similar one recently. This one's a little bit easier. You're going to use the same four numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, each only once, and this time you're trying to make 0. The only operations you can use are division and subtraction, but it's okay to use grouping symbols like parentheses. So the first person to bring me that correct answer wins a golden ticket. Anybody who brings me a correct answer after the golden ticket has been won will win 10 tickets for the weekly drawing. And anybody who makes an attempt but does not get the correct answer will win 5 tickets for the weekly drawing. Okay, I'll see you in the morning.